Hello friends, you can see that there is a piston head. It is drawn in AutoCAD 2D. So now I am going to show you how to draw this piston head in AutoCAD 2D. So let's begin. Just put this one in one side. Now let's begin. At first, select line. Draw a horizontal line. The length will be 90. Enter again. Now select arc, that is start in radius arc. Now click on this point, and put the radius 205. Enter. Again select line. Now from this point draw a vertical line. The length will be 10. Enter. Now horizontal line 2. Enter. Vertical 1. 2. Enter. In this direction again 2. Enter. Vertically 3. Enter. In this direction 2. Enter. It will be 2. Enter. Again 2. Enter. Now draw another line, and this time the length will be 35. Enter. And draw another line, the length will be 5. Enter. Again. Now select this line, click on mirror, and from this point mirror this line. Enter. Now select line. Now join these lines. Again line. Join this line. Again select line. Join this line. Again select line. Join this line. Now select line. Now draw vertical line, it will be 5. Enter. Now draw horizontal line, it will be 12. Enter. And again it will be 12. Enter. Now again it is 24. Enter. Okay, not this one actually. Delete the lines. Delete. Select line. It will be 24 actually. 24. Enter. Now it will be also 24. Enter. It will be 48. Enter. Now 24. Enter. Now join this one. Now select this line and erase. Now select circle, and from the center draw a circle. The radius will be 11. Enter. Okay. Now select line. Draw a line just up to this one. Now again draw a line, it will be 5. Okay, not actually. So a horizontal line, delete this line, select line, and from the joining point draw a line, and now delete these two lines, delete, select this line, click on mirror and draw a line, enter. Now select line and join these two lines, enter. Now our piston head is complete. Now let's put the diagram. Now let's put the dimension. Select the horizontal one at first, linear one actually. Now this is 90. This is 10. This is 2. This one is also 2. This is 3. And this is also 2. This is 48. This is 24. $35. This is 5. Now select radius. It is 11. It is 205. Okay. Now our piston head is complete. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Share the video with your friends. If you have any question, ask in the comment box. Thank you.